Now, experts have emphasized the importance of investment in the total well-being of adolescents and youth, as this will influence them to make good decisions. This was stated at a conference with a group of psychologists and experts who are concerned about the rise in mental health issues in the country. We have more in this report.
The World Health Organization puts suicide as one of the leading causes of death worldwide, which could be as a result of bullying of different kinds, including cyberbullying, peer bullying, sexual violence, depression, among others. The organization also puts mental health as an integral part of well-being, which has been neglected especially in this part of the world. A group of experts gathered to discuss the causes of mental illness and why it is prominent in recent time.
Slowly becoming a silent pandemic. We're not talking about it, but it's happening. We have people suffering from identity dysphoria, where you say, I'm not comfortable being the sex I was born in. It's happening in Nigeria right now. We have a lot of, you've heard of suicide, and it keeps happening. Awareness is still good, it's great, but what next? You understand? So most people are now aware of mental health issues, depression. So what's the next thing to do? That's where mental resilience comes in.
First of all, government needs to create an enabling environment that makes it easy for the private sector-driven individuals to even thrive, to be able to drive change, because government cannot do it all. Government cannot do it all. So if they create that enabling environment, it will help a lot. And of course, the lawmakers that we have, they need to also be mindful of the challenges that we have as a country and push policies, push for legislations in areas that can, cascade down to the person on the street.
Some of the experts also say there is need for support from family and friends.
When we were coming up, we had families that did a lot of things for us. We had friends, we had all of those social support systems that were there for us. But they seem to be not so present, because life now is a little more independent in nature. So young people are independent in their approach to everything. So when life happens to them, the support that we used to have, they don't have that now. So all of these platforms that come at different times to help people navigate are things that we should support.
With the increasing number of people jumping off into the lagoons, poisoning or stabbing themselves, it has raised alarm bells that mental health is as important as the physical health. In Niolua Popola, TVC News, Lagos.